Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I just want to assure all my subscribers that I'm not dead. I know it's been over a month since I've done a video. Just things are coming up in life where, you just can't help it and you gotta stop doing some of the things that you really enjoy doing and, focus on other things and other priorities. But anyways, I am back. I'm gonna try a new series. I'm gonna pretty much call it somewhere along the lines of how much copper is in this, or something like that. I've been noticing a lot of people are viewing my videos based on, how much copper I find inside the items. With the way that the world is going nowadays, with inflation through the roof, the scrap metal prices are pretty much at all-time highs at this point. I think a couple weeks ago I cashed in some brass, and I got like $2.35 a pound for it. So, copper's pretty much trickling around $4 a pound right now for number one. So, I've been hoarding my bars, and that's how many bars I have. There's about 102 pounds of copper there. Like I said, the way the world is going, people are definitely looking to get copper because, it is worth a lot more than what it was, 10, 20 years ago. Especially with inflation, and they're also looking to, supplement their income a little bit, especially with the high gas prices that we're going through right now. All this bullshit with Russia and Ukraine and how it affects our economy, yada, 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 So, yeah, people are pretty much watching my videos based on the copper content. So that's where I'm going to be going with this from now on, or at least, in a good portion of my videos. I'm not going to be doing a casting after this one. I'm trying to keep it in line with the scrapping and then the casting on a separate video. But, when I get better at video editing and condensing the videos down, maybe I'll actually, just do a time lapse of it or just put pieces together and make it look nice. So anyways, I'm rambling on. So let's get on with the video. I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera. I'm going to see how much is inside these food service scales that I have here, which I picked up off the side of the road. Okay, guys, that was 2 food service scales. This is kind of the good stuff. There really wasn't much inside them. Here's the steel, probably about 10 pounds, roughly, if that. Plastic cover. There's a little bit of ribbon cable sticking off of it, but it's just a Mylar, like the other one, this stuff right here. There is traces of silver in here, but I mean, you need a lot of them, like literally thousands of those, to be able to get anything worth it. And plus, you know, the chemicals you got to do and the whole process, it's not worth it for me. So I just usually mix them in with my low grade boards. So anyways, got some cast aluminum here. It's still got a couple rubber pieces on it and a couple set screws here, which I'll clean up later. It doesn't really equal much weight. But I got some extruded aluminum here, and it's got some electronics built in. That's what this crappy rubbery stuff is. Extruded aluminum, another piece of extruded aluminum. That's actually a nice piece. Cast aluminum, and then another extruded piece in the middle right here. I just can't get it out. These screws are like wicked on there, and I don't feel like busting out the drill just to do it. So, I mean, it's all aluminum except for those 2 screws pretty much. So, and then there's a little bit of electronics in it. So, I guess you could consider it iron aluminum. But anyways, let's go ahead and weigh it up. We got this piece. This right here. This. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Oh, it's on there. Put that right there. 1.69 kilos. Let's see. 3 pounds, 12 ounces of whatever kind of aluminum you want to call that. Circuit boards here. These are low grade boards. Just throw them on there just for shits and giggles. .7 ounces, and then a little bit of wire here. Probably not going to get it all on the scale, but just get an idea. I mean, probably half a pound. It says 5 ounces is probably half a pound. The money maker, pretty much the transformer. If you actually decide to bust these open and unwind these, or usually I just cut off the one end and then just use a punch and push it through when it's mounted in the vise. So we'll just weigh the transformer. 1.32 ounces, and then a little more plastic here. So anyways, that's scrapping out food service scales. Really not worth it. May as well just get steel value out of it. I mean, it does have aluminum in it, which, you know, they may be worth about $1 worth of aluminum. This too. Then the brass connectors here, you know, I tend to just break these off and then save them, and then when I'm bored one day, I just, you know, actually get the plastic off them and just put them in the brass bin. Before I forget, there was a little tiny battery that was inside there. We'll weigh it up just to see. Should probably switch that around. Zero it out. Battery weighs 1 pound, 11.3 ounces. So anyways, thanks very much for watching my video, and see you on the next one.